Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you where on Envato Elements you can download files for your projects for free. Envato Elements publishes various template files for design, video editing, and more in their free project section every month. You can find this section both on the Envato Elements homepage and at the very bottom of the website in the menu. This month, Envato has released Halloween-themed files, including videos, audio, illustrations, and PSD files for flyer design. To download a file, simply go to the project page and click on Download. I've just downloaded a Halloween-themed PSD flyer template. Let's open it in Photoshop. Here we see a ready-made flyer design that we can edit, change the text, and more. This was a short video, but I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.